All right, fellow AMC ape holders, another piece of DD on the actual law coming out. I wanted to pass information along to you guys. So, committee passes legislation to advance investor protections, support manufactured housing communities, promote de novo depository institutions. New depository institutions. July 30th, 2021. House Financial Services Committee passes 11 bills to protect investors and reduce conflicts of interest born out of payment for order flow, and support manufactured housing communities, fight for everyone's right to vote, promote de novo depository institutions, and strengthen protections for the LIBOR transition. Residents benefits. Okay. Short Sale Transparency and Fairness Act. By Maxine Waters. This bill would shorten the reporting time for 13F disclosures from quarterly to monthly, requiring such reports to be filed within 10 days of each month, expanding the list of items to be disclosed, including certain derivatives, direct the SEC to complete rulemaking pursuant to Section 929X of Dodd-Frank, which requires aggregate short positions to be disclosed on Form 13F, and direct the SEC to study and report the use of confidential filing requests. To amend Securities Exchange Act of 1934 to prohibit trading ahead by market makers for other purposes. And that's awesome. The bill would statutorily prohibit market makers from trading ahead or engaging in insider trading. It also would require the CEO of each market maker to annually certify the CEO to perform reasonable due diligence during the reporting period to ensure the market maker has not engaged in prohibited activities, which we know that we've been doing that anyway. Family Regulation Office Act. This bill would limit the use of family office exemption from registration as an investment advisor with the SEC to offices of $750 million or less in assets under management, and prevent persons who are barred or subject to final orders for conduct constituting fraud, manipulation, deceit from being associated with a family office. Family offices of more than $750 million in assets management, AUM, would have to register with the SEC as an exempt reporting advisor, ERA. All right, and bills passed by the committee include HR require federal banking regulators to conduct an 18-month study examining challenges to prospective de novo depository institutions face. A de novo depository institution is a newly chartered depository institution. The bill requires federal banking regulators to develop a strategic plan based on the study to promote the creation of newly chartered depository institutions, especially minority deposit institutions, MDIs, and a community that promotes increased access to financial services, including banking deserts, as well as safety and soundness, consumer protection, and community investment. So pretty exciting about these investor rules. The bill passed the committee by a voice vote. Adjustable interest rate LIBOR. This bill would establish certain financial contracts that are referenced to the London Interbank Office Rate LIBOR. Do they contain sufficient language that allow them to continue to function as originally intended after LIBOR is discontinued? I'm not sure what that means, but. And the Order for Flow Improvement Act, Representative Brad Sherman, Democrat of California. This bill directs SEC to study and consider banning or limiting payment for order flow in the form of exchange rebates or payments from market makers to broker dealers, conflicts of interest based on PFOF arrangements, and the impact of PFOF on the quality of order execution. That's awesome. Trading Isn't a Game Act. This bill will require GAO to conduct a study of the positive and negative impacts of the trend of gamification on online trading platforms, such as the use of nudging or other inducement, and require GAO to issue a report to Congress with recommendation. Interesting. The gamification thing is by Robinhood, right? Robinhood has a very gamified, easy-to-use interface, unlike other software. It's kind of complicated. Exploitation of elder fundamental exploitation related to elders. All right, guys. I think that's the most that's related to our situation with AMC and GME. Till next time.